If you guys want to learn how to look like Snake Plissken from Escape from New York, then definitely watch today's video. So before we get into today's awesome video, I want to announce another giveaway that I'm doing, and I've partnered up with a number of really amazing brands, and gentlemen, it's time to suit up. So this giveaway is a combination of grooming products and some really cool clothing and just like really awesome men's boutique items, including I think even luggage. So if you want to enter to win this giveaway potentially, then click on the link in the description below and you can enter your email address and have a chance to win this awesome giveaway. So now let's get into today's video. What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and one of my favorite movies from the 80s is Escape from New York. And I've gotten actually probably just one guy who's been asking nonstop for this tutorial of Kurt Russell, who played the character Snake Plissken. And man, this goes hand in hand with this awesome giveaway that we're doing. And this is like the ultimate masculine, like bad character, man. He is such a awesome dude. So I'm transforming this mannequin into Snake Plissken for today's video. So watch along and then I'll break it down at the end. All right, YouTube, so here is a breakdown of the haircut. Basically what I did is I started in the front and created, and this is the key to the whole haircut, is creating that angle going shorter right in through all the way down through here, creating like a shape that goes from shorter to longer, shorter all the way down into longer. So when this is cut, it has to really be cut on an angle. Did it on both sides. Then I created my layer shape into here by bringing everything straight up from the head to cut the layers to about this long right in through here. I made sure everything was connected and blended together when I layered it. Then the key to this is connecting the shorter part with the longer part, because you know, if you do this properly and it's all layered, so if you're either professional, it's really key that you layer this properly, or if you're looking to get this look, you know, the best thing to do is really make sure that whoever's cutting this has this as the shortest part and really just connects all the way into the back, having this slightly longer, and that's how you get that kind of feathered look. Then I blow dried it. I used my hands mostly, went within a brush just a little bit to kind of polish the hairstyle off. And then I went in with shadow, which you don't have to actually do shadow. I did spray 25 in spray in the beginning, but you don't really even have to use shadow. You can if you want to make it look a little more kind of a lived-in, sleek look. And then here, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished result. All right, YouTube, don't forget to enter for the giveaway below. The link is in the description, and it'll take you to a page where you can actually fill in your information and submit to potentially win. And I had so much fun doing this. This looks so much like Snake Plissken, it's crazy. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live 3 times a week. And I will see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.